over at 10, it's only time.
Okay, so let's dance together. So we are going to wake up for tonight. Okay, so for our very first step, this is just very easy. You just only need to clap your hands together. So you have to do like me. So our bride and group, you also have to do your best, okay? So let's do this in 3, 2, 1, go.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Very easy? Is it easy? Okay, so now, because I just wanted to ask our beautiful bride here, okay? So to our beautiful bride, do you wash the dishes after you eat together? Okay, so we knew now that our beautiful bride washing the dishes, the plates, and different things, the utensils when they are eating together. But this is the question now. How do you wash the dishes? Okay, so now, as you see our beautiful bride, that will be going to be our second step, okay? So you need to close your hand together like what she did, like this one. So let's do this in 3, 2, 1. Sorry, anybody here can remember what happened in the very beginning? Okay, so we have here two witnesses that they knew the love story of these two. So you have to tell us if they are saying the true story, okay? Because at this moment, by the way, ladies and gentlemen,
Siyempre, we first met in Kiev Lady. She was a cashier in a young customer. So, naubos na. First time namin na mag-meet around May or June. Kasi hindi ko pa siya pinapansin, hindi masulit ako dati. Lagi ko siyang inaaway sa counter kapag pinapasok niya yung resibo sa plastic. Kasi nababasa, hindi nare-refund. So ayun, that time, palagi ko siyang sinusungitan. And then, yung mga sumunod na buwan, kasi, ano lang, parang, hindi ko siya pinapansin. Tapos biglang, naghahanap siya ng work. Tapos sabi niya sa akin, baka may alam niya ang highway. So, binigay niya sa akin yung number niya. So, ako naman, syempre, QC. Hindi ko siya agad sinat. Alam ko siguro, 2 weeks before, 2 weeks ago, saka ko lang siya naisipan na i-chat. Then, that time, nag-start na kami nagkaroon ng conversation. And then, yung first, namin is place na kung saan kami nag-date sa park. Sa Kalipa Park, kung saan yung may fountain, malapit kila Madam. So, ayun, sa mga sumunod, we are dating labas, and then ano ako sa kanya, nag-try ako, labas namin, exciting kasi naka-accommodation siya, hindi ba ako, so parang anong tawag patago. So, ayun, hanggang sa naging madalas yung paglabas namin, hanggang sa naging kami ng July 4. So, after a few months, walang abog-abog, nagano kami na propose ako agad sa kanya ng September 4. So, hindi yung typical na propose na maraming audience, basta binigay ko lang sa kanya yung siksik. Sabi ko sa kanya, bobo ka ba? So, ayun, kasi hindi naman ako yung kasi before, bago ko siya nakilala, bahay trabaho ako, committed ako sa work. So, lang ako, bahay, trabaho. And then, nang nakita ko siya, nakilala ko siya, ayun, nag-iba po yung nag-iba po yung buhay. So, hanggang sa nag-propose ako sa kanya, yung parang tapos tinanong ko siya, umuo ka ba? Sabi niya, oo. So, ayun, we are planning to marry. Kasi, we are getting old ka, sabi ko sa kanya. So, we are getting old pa ako. So, hindi ko naman siya korelasyon. Basta, binigay ko sa kanya yung aming, yung singsing, and then, umuo naman siya. After 1 year po, saka, ayun, ito na po yung date namin na kung kailan na po kami kinasal. So we are 1 year and 3 months na po kami na mag-on. So hindi po kami ganun katagal, but then sabi nga, kapag si Lord ang gumawa ng way. Kasi nakaka-bless lang kasi darating yung tao na ayun po yung aming storya. Wala naman po kaming ibang pinagkakabalahan kundi kumain sa labas. We're love eating nung nagkakilala kami para kaming mga maliliit na mga payat. Ngayon kami ay naglalakihan na. So, ayun po ang aming konting storya ng aming buhay.
Okay, ma'am. So we are guessing right now which is the date of their anniversary.
July 4.
July 4, and because you got it right, we'll be going to invite you here as you're going to receive a prize. Okay, so for your information, my dear ladies and gentlemen, it's July 4, okay? So you have to get ready. Just raise your hand if you want to receive a prize for today. Okay, so now let's move on to our next trivia question. So this is a very interesting one. I know that you remember also this. Where is the first meeting place of this couple? Okay, very competitive. I like your guess. They are very competitive. Yes, ma'am, what's your name?
In our store, Dave. Dave? Yeah.
Okay, so we have here Miss Day. Yes, Miss Day, what's the answer?
Kim Freddy.
Kitty and Freddy is the right answer. So can we invite you also here now? As we're going to receive now our prize. Come on, let's take a picture.
She's also working there.
Very attentive, yes. And of course, we have now say this time. If you still remember, what is the date of proposal? Okay. A very shy hand also, sir. Okay, sir, what is your name? Okay, so Rinal, so let's see and let's guess. What is the date of the proposal? September 4 is the correct answer. Look at those beautiful smile. Our newlyweds are very happy because you listen very well to the love story. Okay? The effort of the cry a while ago means a lot this time because they really listen. Of course, this will be going to be our last trivia question, okay? So for the last trivia question, how this lovely couple here call each other? What is their endearment? Anybody here? Okay, I think this is the best friend. Okay, yes ma'am, what's your name? John. Okay, so Miss John, you're going to answer now. How they call each other? What is their endearment?
Mommy and Daddy.
Is it mommy and daddy? And you're not right. You're invited to be here. Of a new promise to each other. So now, once again, I would like to present to you our newlywed, Jericho and Shiloh.
uh, I will promise na ako ay magiging mabuting gawa sa ating Panginoon. I will be a good provider, laging susuporta, laging magkukonsulta sa aking asawa. When nagkasama kay Lord, I pray to the Lord na sana bigyan niya ako ng ng partner na magiging kasama ko sa habang buhay. Every night, before I sleep, I pray to the Lord na, Lord, kung hindi mo papasa sa iyo yung criteria na hinihingi ko, it will be your will, not mine. Sabi ko gano'n. And binigyan niya ako ng partner in life na maunawain. Binigyan niya ako ng partner in life na tinuruan.
Walang way para mag-usap kami. Actually, before saling ako, then na-transfer ako ng Abu Dhabi. Bago lang ako dito sa Abu Dhabi. And then, yun, nakita ko siya, pero di ko siya pinag-check kasi yung mga ganyanan ako may asawa na. Ayaw ko matulpo. Dahil sobrang busy siya at napaka-hard worker naman talaga. And napakabait na tao, hindi lang sa akin, sa pamilya, sobra. Asawa ko from the moment you came into my life, I knew I found my forever. You are my peace, my joy, my greatest blessing. I promise to love you sa saya, lungkot man, sa hirap maging awa. Kahit bawal naramdam yung pera natin. I promise to stand by you, to support your dreams, and to grow with you through every season of our lives and faith. Balang araw, sabay nating bubuin ang ating mga pangarap kasama ng ating pamilya. Isang tahanang puno ng tawa, pagmamahal at may takot sa Diyos. I look forward to building a life with you, raising our children with love and growing old together hand in hand. Hindi man ako perfectong asawa pero buong puso kita pipiliin araw-araw. You are my whole, my heart, and my forever. I love you.
Let's make some noise with our school or court classes together so that we can see a kiss coming from our newlywed.
And there you go.
You are all the witnesses of these promises. So you have to remind them all the time to those words that they given to each other. And we are very happy to hear that our Jericho here really blessed to have a beautiful bride and wife here. And also he said that it's an answered prayer. And we are very happy about it. And of course, this time, we will be going to move on to our traditionals, to our wedding celebration, where you are going to see now our beautiful bride and groom and cutting their cake. And also, my dear friend, this cake cutting symbolizes that the couple promises to support and care for each other through the sweetness and challenge that they are going to have in their journey. I also believe that the more cake they will be giving to each other, the more blessings that they will be going to receive. So now let's see later on how big is the cake is. So first we will be going to see Jericho giving the slice of the cake to our beautiful bride.
Usod pa, hindi kayo kita. Yan, sige, lapit ka ma'am, lapit ka. Yan.
And of course, it's your chance, Cheryl, to give also a piece of a cake to our Jericho. Can we give them a round of applause, please?
Tabi lang natin yung cake.
And of course, at this moment, my dear ladies and gentlemen, they can also share the sweetness of this love story by being here. Okay, and of course, this time, we will be going to invite one of the guests to give the toast for this wedding. And of course, we will be going to invite you to be here in front, our Sir Dennis. Can we give a round of applause to Sir Dennis?
Yung those seasons, I've seen you in, I've seen your victories, I've seen your pain, and I've seen how God worked in your life. And here we are, celebrating one of the greatest story. God is unfolding one of the best stories, and namnamin mo, ang bawat oras, itong kasal na ginaganap natin ngayon. And of course, it's only the start ng masaya, being together. And of course, yung hindi lang po masaya, you had your vows, for sure there will be problems, there will be pain. But before I end, for sure this message is, I will give you one Bible verse for sure. Ecclesiastes 4:12, it says there, a cord of these strands will not easily be broken. So sa isang relasyon na hindi lang po dalawa, so tatlo, ikaw, si Shiloh, at ang Panginoon. So every time you make decisions, isa rin yung Panginoon. Every time you have problems, even financial problems, isa rin lagi yung Panginoon. Maging central, pagmamahalan niyo ang Panginoon. Sa bahay niyo, ang Panginoon lagi yung pagkain. So we are excited sa lahat ng time ng inyong pagsama. We witness everything, especially to you. Napaka-best mo tayo, yung kasawang how to manage finances. I've seen her, before, nasaktan bigla na lang siya ng shopping. sa mall. Dahil nga, ako kay siya. Pero now, wala nang mga ganong part, na chapter ng buhay mo. Ito na yun, God is giving you the best story of your life. Ayan, and to Shiloh, congratulations, so sure na. So, ayun, so, napaka-bless ulit kasi napaka-mahilig ng aking kaibigan na ito. Napaka-bayat, kahit anong time na tawagan mo siya, he will be here. So yun, congratulations again, and kasi nga suppose.
Papicture ka sa picture ka. Sige, tabi-tabi kayo tatlo. Closer pa. Yes. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Pakita na nose. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Baba konti. Yan. Okay, sige. Sila naman mag-cross arm na kayo. Okay na, sir. Yan. Shot ko, no? Sige. March, okay na ba? Pwede na? Sige, 1, 2, 3. Go, 3.
Can we give a round of applause? And of course, this time, my dear ladies and gentlemen, of the part of our wedding. But this time, we will be just cut it into half. So I hope that after this session that we're going to have a photo op per table, then afterwards, we can proceed to our buffet area to enjoy enjoy the food tonight. I hope that you will be going to stay because our program is not yet finished. There's a continuation of it. So this time, we will be having a photo op now per table. So you have to get ready. Then after, you can proceed to the buffet area. Okay? So now can we have this first table, please?
Sige, dikit-dikit pa, dikit-dikit.
No, sir.
Sige, tingin po lahat sa akin. Ready? 1, 2, 3, smile.
Continue for tonight, and as we continue, we will make sure that we will be going to have more fun, okay? So at this moment, my dear ladies and gentlemen, because we already eaten for a while, we will be going to have now our lovely messages coming from you. Then right after that, we're going to continue some of the part of our celebration.
Sa part ng masayang buhay mo. Friends po kami ni Shalo almost 8 years since sa pinaka ko. Naalala ko po noon nung mga nasa Watsons pa kami. Puro chikahan, yun lang alam, awayan. Hindi ko akalain na aabot tayo sa years na dito ka pa ikakasal. I'm so happy and glowing. You're so glowing on your wedding day. Kinakabahan ako talaga. Yun. Si Eko naman, hindi ko siya kilala masyado. Dito lang din. Nung pumunta sila sa akin. Pero kanina, nakadagdag yung points mo, Eko, sa pag-iyak. Sabi ko, oo. Walang green flag. Ano ko na nasa peace na si Shalo. Alam kong mabait na tao si mabait na tao si Eko. Basta Eko, alagaan mo yan. Pag hindi, naku, sasakalin ko.
Arm!
Yun. And to all of you, I wish you a lifetime of love, laughter, hindi man laging perfect ang journey, pero as long as we choose each other every day, you'll always find your way back to love and happiness. And nga pala, Bebe, advance happy birthday. Mahal kita, alam mo yan. Ayun, congratulations and best wishes. Cheers to love and forever.
Thank you so much, our Miss Dinya, for that lovely message. And of course, we're going to be the next one, Miss. Palabasan mo na si Jericho din eh. Congratulations. May title to eh. Pinagtagpo ng tadhana, pinagtibay ni Lord. Grabe ang saya ko for you. Finally, you found you forever. Alam mo gano'n ako kasaya talaga kasi kinasal ka na. Wishing you both a lifetime of love, laughter, and endless happiness. Finally, may magtitiis na sa'yo forever. Char. And to Jericho, sana ingatan po po si Shalo namin. Iyak ko kasi yan eh. Alay pa lang lang. Palagi mo siyang lutuan ng masarap kasi masarap yung magmahal. Oh. And para sa inyong dalawa, sana palagi niyong piliin ang isa't isa. Sabi nga sa hirap at ginhawa. Maging tahanan niyo sana lagi ang isa't isa at pwede po magtinginan po kayong dalawa. Magtinginan kayong dalawa. Shalo. Ano ba yun? Then sabihin niyo po sa isa't isa, ikaw at ako hanggang dulo. Ayaw ko. Pakiulit po.
Congratulations. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Miss Caroline. And of course, we're going to be here also, Madam Julie Beth. So, can we give a round of applause to our Madam Julie Beth?
Ayun, first ay congratulations sa inyong dalawa. At magsusuot siguro ng helmet lagi si Shalo at baka mauntog eh. Pero yun, magbibitaw agad katulad nila para may junior or may aalagaan agad. At sabi nga ni Shalo eh dahil bata pa daw siya, ito naman daw ay tumatanda na. Pero, yun. Ang aking wish sana ay for life, forever. Kayong dalawa at like sabi nga nila is laging mag-usap din kapag may mga hindi na pagkakasunduan. At laging makikinig. Kanino? Kay Macy's. Ayun. Yan. Happy life daw yun kapag happy ang wife. Tapos, ayun, sa trabaho, eh, sabi mo nga before is lagi kang trabaho, bahay, trabaho. So, may shallow lang. So, kailangan bigyan ng time. Kahit ako yung home work is, kaya na nila yun. Kapag tapos na ang duty, eh, iwan mo na sila. Hindi nag-aantay sa bahay. Ano din natin sa akin? Dati lang yun ang binata ka. Kailangan mo sagalin. Ayun, hindi naririnig si Sir Dave. At thank you dun sa time na yun na ikaw ay binata ka, ay talagang nandyan sa day 1 hanggang ngayon kay Comfort at sa family ng Comfort, ay talagang hindi mo kami iniwan. At ngayon, dahil may shallow ka na lagi nag-aantay at kakain sa labas, at hindi, huwag mong iiwan, dalawa na ngayon kayo na magmamahal. Pero, syempre, para sa future, eh, lagi ka pa rin namin susuportahan. Naging family na, naging friend namin doon, is hindi na bilang empleyado lang ang tuloy, kundi nandito kami, ni Boss Kicks, kung anong may tulong, kung anong kailangan, kung kayang payuhan. Eh, nandito lang. At kami, family, lagi. At hindi mo kailangang ituring na madam o may-ari o employer. At tayo nang alam mo naman at sa loob ng 2 taon na pagsasama natin is dito lang kami. Payuhan at gagabayan. Ayun, magmahalan kayo at magpakarami daw.
Thank you so much, our Madam Julie Beth. We are all excited for this. We are very excited for this, that we are waiting for that blessing for this family, of course. And of course, this time, ladies and gentlemen, we will be going to hear now a message coming from our Kuya Gilbert. Can we give a round of applause this time to Kuya Gilbert?
Bicolano po. Actually, si Jericho, nakilala ko siya sa church namin sa Go for Jesus. And si Kuya din ang nag-introduce, which is our beloved Kuya, father figure sa amin. And laging nag-guide sa amin kasi si Jericho laging naliliko yan. Laging lumiliko. Pero dahil nandiyan na si Shadow, at syempre dahil nandiyan si God, lagi naman siya nire-redirect. Lalo andyan yung leader namin na lagi nagpapaalala sa amin. Once we are nawawala. Pero at least, yung pagpapaalala at laging pagiging mabait ni Jericho siguro isa din yon sa naging dahilan si Lord. Dahil malapit siya kay Lord, nag-serve siya kay Lord. And kasama din ako ni Jericho lagi na naglalakad-lakad kami sa hamdan, naghahanap ng babae. Joke lang. Hindi, joke lang, hindi yun. Lagi na kami lagi na kami nag-uusap kasi parehas kami taga-Naga, parehas kami dun sa Naga nakatira. But then, Jericho is like a brother sa akin, and I'm very proud and nakakatuwa na yun nga, sabi nga, si Shallow yung ano niya, and si Shallow is marunong mag-manage ng kanyang finance, yun naman yung pinaka-importante. And wish you all the best, and sana makasama namin kayo lagi every Monday. Ayun, kasi andito lang kami nag-aantay. Ayun, God bless you both, and andito lang yung family nyo, andito lang kami nila Kuya Del para sa inyo. Welcome kayo lagi sa ano namin. God bless po.
Thank you so much. The ninang of our newlywed.
Thank you. Congratulations ulit. Pasensya na kanina pa kami magkasama.
Oo nga, magkasama tayo.
Anyway, ang pag-aasawa talaga, hindi talaga madali. Every day is a challenge. So be prepared. As long as you love each other, you don't give up each other. Constant communication, kahit pagod, pag-usap pa rin. Kung mainit ang ulo ng isa, makinig ang isa, ganun din, vice versa na. And always keep God at the center of your marriage. And huwag na kayong magantay, mag-anak na. Kasi papunta naman talaga doon, pag nagpakasal na, diretso na. Kasi isama nyo na ang anak nyo sa matured nyo hanggang sa lumaki sila. Kasi at the end of time, dumating yung time na parang sa amin, I'm already 50, but then my children are already 24 and 21. Yun ang talagang aim na aim ko before. I want to get married at the age of 25. Kasi ang buhay ng tao, very short span na. Anytime, anywhere, pwedeng madali. Diba? Pero the moment na magkasama kayo, na ibinigay ng Diyos araw-araw, at least maging happy ka. And si Eko, nakilala ko siya 5 years na yata eh. Lagi kami nagtatawagan niyan sa hanggan. Nasaan ka? Kara. Kahit alas 11 ng gabi, ha? O siya, okay. Kasi pinag-usapan naman namin talaga kasi parang nanay-nanayan na niya ako. Pag may mga, may mga hinaing sa buhay, ay nandito lang naman ako nakikinig. Ganon din naman ako sa kanya. Kaya looking forward for more success in life. Both of you, basta maging patient lang kayo. And don't give up. Kasi madali talagang mag-give up pag hindi kayo magkakaintindihan. Pero as long as you stick each other, pray, yun lang. Thank you very much and congratulations.
What a great wisdom messages of our
I know you want pop, you want rock and roll. You want it. This year's remix got symphonic soul. I got pop, I got rockin' electronic beats. I got your pop music with the future flow. So don't worry, even if the sky is falling down.